Pippa the duckling loved puddles, splish-splash. He loved shiny things, twinkle-twinkle. One morning, beside the sparkling stream that sang softly over stones, Pippa found a tiny silver pebble. He wanted to carry it home, but it was just a bit too far. So Pippa took one wiggly step, then another wiggly step, and said, "Hup, hup, hooray." Pippa the duckling loved puddles, splish-splash. He loved shiny things, twinkle-twinkle. He nudged the pebble with his beak, boop-boop, but it rolled away with a soft plink. Then a leaf floated near, and Pippa gave it a little push, plip-plip, to make a tiny boat for the pebble. "Come along, little pebble," said Pippa, "splash and sail." Pippa the duckling loved puddles, splish-splash. He loved shiny things, twinkle-twinkle. The leaf boat drifted, 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 but the pebble still wobbled and bounced. Then a little frog hopped by, boing-boing, and gave the leaf a gentle tap. Then a dragonfly zipped by, zzzip-zzzip, and fanned the water into a brighter path. Pippa the duckling loved puddles, splish-splash. He loved shiny things, twinkle-twinkle. The frog tapped, the dragonfly fanned, and Pippa paddled, paddled, paddled. Then a turtle came slowly, clack-clack, and gave the leaf boat a steady bump. The pebble slid along the stream, and Pippa laughed, one more, little shiny friend." Pippa the duckling loved puddles, splish-splash. He loved shiny things, twinkle-twinkle. The pebble rode, the leaf glided, and the helpers all went with it. Then the stream made a cheerful gurgle, glug-glug, and the pebble landed in Pippa's waiting wing. It shone like a tiny moon, and everyone leaned close to admire it. Ah and ooh. Pippa the duckling loved puddles, splish-splash. He loved shiny things, twinkle-twinkle. He shared the pebble with his new friends, and they sat together by the singing stream. Pippa smiled, the frog blinked, the dragonfly hummed, and the turtle rested, all warm and cozy, side by side. The little shiny pebble felt extra special because it was shared, and Pippa knew that happy moments grow bigger when friends are near. The end.